In this video, I wanted to make a quick tutorial on the loop braid because so many people liked it. I thought it would be cool to show how I did it. Okay, so here goes. Get that mannequin close enough so you can see. So I've pre-texturized this hair with the Samvia texture iron, which makes it a lot easier to do a lot of bridal styles anyway. And I've taken a triangle section in the front corner to start it. So from here, I want to do one knot. So I'll take it, use my peace fingers, peace sign, put it on the back side, turn that section and pull through. But I'm not going to pull the loop all the way. I'm only going to pull it partially. Once I have that partial, I'm going to put my comb in there, take a section from underneath right there. You see there? Pull it through. And make a new loop. Then I'm going to put my comb in the front end again, take another section underneath, pull it through, and turn. Now the trick is to keep all of this hair down below kind of straight. Once I have my new loop, I'm going to put my comb right in the top. When I put it in, I'm going to pull it through, take a section underneath that loop, pull it through like just a little bit, about an inch, turn my tail comb, and you'll see I have a new loop. In the new loop, take my tail comb, put it through, pull another section from underneath, pull it through part way, turn my tail comb. And as I go, I'll just kind of push all this down, make sure it stays straight. Now you see I still have a hole there. So I'll put my tail comb in, pull a section through, turn it. And I just comb the bottom with my fingers, make sure any loose pieces get pulled through. So you see that loop there. And I'm about halfway around the hair now. So once that happens, I can secure this and hang on to it with a clip and then go to the other side. So you can see how it's like loopy and braid-like, right? So once I've got about half of it done, because I want to connect it. Now again, I'll take a triangle section. Now on this side it's different because I'm backwards, right? So it's not the same side. But again, I'll put my fingers in, create one knot. And when I pull that through, I'm not going to pull it through all the way, just a little bit. I'll use my tail comb, thread it through, pick up a piece of hair, right? Loop it through, turn my tail comb. Take the end of my tail comb, push it through, pick up another piece of hair, loop it through, turn my tail comb. So it's like I turn my tail comb upside down, right? And that creates the new loop. And then I put my tail comb in, pick up another piece, pull it through, turn my tail comb. And I pick it up and hold it with my fingers afterwards. And then put my tail comb in the center, pick up another piece, turn my tail comb. So I need my fingers, my pinchy fingers, and my tail comb. So once I've got my loops in there, I'm going to connect it with the other side of the other one. So you can see where they'll connect. So this was the right side, right? This is where I left off the left side. I'll just kind of overlap those. And then you can either use bobby pins or a hair accessory. For me, I like the pearl hair accessories and the diamond hair accessories. You can do like a little clip, kind of keep it together. that's basically it in a nutshell. So you just have to practice your loops and pulling through the little bit of loop underneath with your tail comb. And then you have a loop braid all the way around. Hope you liked it, and now go ahead and give it a shot.